The lost bird, a mysterious return after decades of disappearance. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a story that sounds like it's straight out of a mystery novel. A bird that vanished for decades, only to reappear and leave scientists and nature enthusiasts in awe. Have you ever heard of a creature thought to be extinct, only to be rediscovered alive and well? This isn't science fiction. It's a real-life scientific marvel that takes us on a journey through time, from the moment this bird disappeared to the incredible day it made its triumphant return. At the beginning of the 20th century, this bird was a common sight in its natural habitat. Its vibrant colors and unique calls made it a favorite among bird watchers. However, as the years passed, its population began to decline. Factors like climate change, habitat destruction, and hunting took their toll. By the mid-20th century, sightings became rare, and eventually, the bird was declared extinct. The world thought it had seen the last of this magnificent creature. But not everyone gave up hope. Local communities in the bird's native region claimed to have seen it occasionally, though these reports were never confirmed. Scientists organized expeditions, hoping to find evidence of its survival. Despite their efforts, years turned into decades, and the bird remained elusive. Many began to accept that it was gone forever. The shocking discovery. Then, one day, everything changed. A team of researchers was conducting an expedition in a remote area when they heard a sound they hadn't heard in years, a call that matched descriptions of the lost bird. They followed the sound, and after hours of searching, they found it. The bird was alive, healthy, and thriving in its natural habitat. This discovery sent shockwaves through the scientific community. How had this bird survived undetected for so long? After the rediscovery, scientists rushed to study the bird. How had it managed to survive when everyone thought it was gone? Some theories suggest it adapted to a new environment, while others believe it had been living in areas so remote that humans rarely ventured there. The bird's reappearance raised new questions about resilience, adaptation, and the secrets of nature that we have yet to uncover. This story isn't just about one bird. It's a reminder of the incredible resilience of nature. It also highlights the importance of conservation efforts. If this bird could survive against all odds, who knows what other species might still be out there, waiting to be rediscovered? It's a call to action for all of us to protect our planet and its incredible biodiversity. The tale of this lost bird is a testament to the mysteries of the natural world. It reminds us that even in the face of extinction, hope can still exist. Nature has a way of surprising us when we least expect it. So, let's continue to explore, protect, and cherish the wonders of our planet. Who knows what other secrets are waiting to be uncovered?